In today's digital age, the internet offers numerous opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. Whether you're seeking extra cash or a full-time income, several websites can help you achieve your financial goals. This video explores 7 platforms that offer daily payouts, enabling you to earn money on your terms. Number 1. Upwork. Upwork connects businesses and freelancers across various industries. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, a programmer, or marketer, you can find clients offering daily payments. Enjoy the flexibility of setting your rates and schedules while working on a diverse range of projects. Let's talk about some benefits Upwork offers. Diverse range of projects. Upwork offers projects in various industries, allowing freelancers with different skills to find suitable opportunities. Flexibility and independence. Freelancers can choose projects, set their rates, and create their schedules, offering an ideal work-life balance. Global clientele. Upwork's global network of clients means you can collaborate with businesses from around the world. Payment protection. Upwork offers a secure payment system that ensures your earnings are available upon project completion. Ratings and reviews. Your reputation is crucial, as positive reviews and high ratings enhance your credibility. Upwork Pro and Upwork Enterprise. Specialized programs cater to larger businesses, opening doors to higher value projects. Upwork revolutionizes freelancing, connecting talented individuals with businesses seeking their services. It offers diverse projects, flexible work options, a secure payment system, and an opportunity to establish a stellar professional reputation. Number 2. Amazon Mechanical Turk, also called M-Turk. M-Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace where you complete small online tasks for payment. Tasks, known as human intelligence tasks hits, include data entry, surveys, and more. You can receive daily transfers to your Amazon Payments account, making it a quick way to earn. Key features of M-Turk. Flexible work opportunities. M-Turk offers flexibility in choosing tasks and setting your work hours. Variety of tasks and skills. A wide range of tasks caters to different skills and interests. Quick and on-demand payments. Payment is quick and on-demand, with funds transferred directly to your Amazon Payments account. Accessible to a global workforce, M-Turk is open to workers from around the world. Building experience and reputation. Positive ratings and reviews enhance your profile and open doors to higher-paying tasks. M-Turk provides a unique opportunity to engage in microtasking and earn money online by completing small tasks on your terms. Number 3. Clickworker. Clickworker is another platform for completing micro-tasks like data entry and web research. Payments are made through PayPal, and you can opt for weekly or daily payouts, depending on your location. It's a great choice for those looking for quick earnings. Let's take a look at Clickworker in a bit more depth. Flexibility and independence. Choose tasks and work hours according to your preferences. Diverse range of tasks. Various tasks cater to different skills and interests. Clear payment structure. Each task has a predetermined payment amount, with clear expectations regarding compensation. Opportunities for skill development. Engaging with different tasks allows you to enhance your abilities and broaden your skill set. Community and support. Clickworker maintains an active community offering guidance, tutorials, and forums for support. Clickworker offers an accessible way to earn money online through microtasking, with flexibility and a clear payment structure. Number 4. User testing. User testing pays you for testing websites and apps. As a tester, you'll navigate different websites or apps, sharing your thoughts through audio or written reviews. With payouts averaging around $10 per 20-minute test and daily PayPal payments, it's a rewarding way to make money online. Let's take a look at key features of user testing. Simple and engaging testing process. Tests simulate real-life scenarios and provide compensation. Competitive compensation. On average, you can earn around $10 per 20-minute test. Flexibility and convenience. Choose tests based on your availability and set your schedule. Regular testing opportunities. User testing ensures a consistent flow of testing opportunities. Trusted and secure platform. User testing maintains quality control and prioritizes data privacy. User testing offers an accessible way to earn money from home by testing digital products and services. Number 5. Gigwalk and Field Agent. Both Gigwalk and Field Agent offer opportunities to earn money by completing short-term, local gigs. Tasks include verifying product displays, taking photos, and more. Gigwalk often provides payments within 24 hours, while Field Agent pays through direct deposit or PayPal. Key features of Gigwalk and Field Agent. Localized opportunities. Find gigs in your area, eliminating extensive travel. Flexibility and autonomy. Choose the gigs and hours that align with your lifestyle. Diverse gig options. Gigs cater to various skills and interests. Transparent compensation. Clear expectations regarding compensation and task payouts. Community and support. Active communities offer guidance and support. Number 6. Amazon Flex. If you have a reliable vehicle and spare time, Amazon Flex allows you to earn money by delivering packages. You choose your schedule, making daily payouts possible. Earnings vary based on the number of deliveries completed. Amazon Flex allows you to earn money by delivering packages for Amazon. As an independent contractor, you can choose your schedule, making daily payouts possible. Earnings vary based on the number of deliveries completed. Key features of Amazon Flex. Independent contracting. Enjoy the freedom of being an independent contractor. Schedule flexibility. Choose delivery blocks that suit your availability. Earnings potential. Your income depends on the number of deliveries you complete. Delivery support. Amazon Flex provides tools and support for successful deliveries. Reliable payment system. Payments are typically deposited within a few days. The digital age presents various opportunities to make money online, allowing you to choose platforms that match your skills and preferences. Whether you prefer freelance work on Upwork, microtasks on Amazon Mechanical Turk, or local gigs on Gigwalk and Field Agent, daily payouts are attainable. By engaging with these platforms, you can achieve your financial goals while maintaining flexibility and independence. This concise guide offers a range of online platforms that cater to different skill sets and interests, all with the potential for daily payouts. Explore these options to earn money on you.